I've seen Frost WP. You have done a great job with the Frost, and the design and aesthetics is just amazing.
Thank you.
Tell us what motivated to get you started on that.
So it was last summer. I was at that point really kind of unsure around WordPress still, where it was going and how things all came together. I came across an article written by Justin Tadlock on WP Tavern, and he linked to the WordPress.org. At the time, it was a beta sort of exploratory pattern directory that they were trying to start. And I went there and I saw some of these kind of basic patterns, and there was like a copy button, and I hit copy, and then I went into my blog. I was writing something. I'm just going to paste it and see what happens. And so I hit paste, and like the pattern showed up. And it was then sort of, I had that epiphany moment where I was like, wait a second. So blocks are like, obviously these sort of foundational building elements, and patterns are groups of them presented in a way. And it really started to make sense to me. And so I kind of got the idea of Frost, where I'm like, well, at a minimum, like, why don't we build like a very basic theme that sort of can serve up just prepackaged components or patterns, so that you could build a website top to bottom, like a homepage, in like literally 5 clicks or like 10 seconds. And once I started to kind of get my hands dirty and figure out how this all works, it was then where I was like, okay, there's a real opportunity here now with sort of this evolution of WordPress and where it's going to do things in a way that significantly increases the abilities for people and also reduces the time to produce things that are even better than they were before.
Absolutely. I think if it is making it easy for people, then why not, right?